Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials and then act. Back up your personal files now. Do not skip this. Connect the phone to your PC, enable USB debugging, and toggle OEM unlock if required. Once done, install platform tools and device drivers so Fastboot and a DB recognize the device. Locate and verify the exact stock firmware for your model. Mismatching firmware will brick the phone. Make sure file names and checksums match the vendor release before proceeding to bootloader access. You now move into flashing. Reboot the phone to the bootloader using a DB reboot bootloader or the hardware keys. Once in Fastboot, flash partitions in the recommended sequence: boot, system, vendor, then recovery using Fastboot flash commands. After each write, check the return status and run MD5 or SHA-1 checks if available to confirm integrity. If the device uses a signed payload, use the vendor flashing tool as instructed. Remember, flashing the wrong partition order can leave the device unbootable. You finish by clearing remnants and ensuring a stable system. Boot into recovery and perform a factory reset and wipe cache if you encounter boot loops. This removes residual root artifacts. Once the phone boots cleanly into stock Android and all hardware functions work, decide whether to relock the bootloader. Relock only after thorough testing. If problems persist, reflash the firmware, capture Fastboot or a DB logs, and use vendor recovery utilities or forums for device-specific fixes. A single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.